Hi there, welcome to my channel. I thought I've actually got my my washing machine a few weeks ago from Amazon. 86 quid it was, and I just thought I'd show you it. I thought, I haven't showed you my flat for a while. Just show you my simple washing machine. Most people get those big monstrous things which cost a fortune and use a lot of water. Me, I wanted something different, so I got myself a camping washer, excuse me, and I'll just show you. It's very simple really, and what's more, it doesn't use as much water as a normal one. It basically uses about as much water like it would a normal shower, because I'm using it from the shower water. But now I'll just show you it, and that's it for this video. I'll just show you my washing machine, my little washing machine. Alright, I went to the washing machine. Oh, see, I use it in a bath. It's easy, I can just drain the water out. The water goes in. I use the shower water up there, and it just goes straight into the thing there. I'll just show you myself in a second. Put one like this until I get it to the line down there. Just get it up till it fills up to the top line. I've now got the detergent, and I've got some laundry balls in there because they always have get rid of the lint and stuff, and making things better. And so I'll now turn it on. And thingy, a wash is 15 minutes, so 15 minutes it is. We'll see how that does. A washing machine is so lightweight, even I can carry it, even with stuff in it if I wanted to. And uses less water than a normal washing machine. Can't go wrong. Right, I'll let it do its spin for 15 minutes. If I'm not happy with that, I'll stick it for another 15 minutes, and I'll show you the next stage. Checked. Today is the 22nd of July, and I got this delivered here on 22nd of June, so I've actually had it a month. It's longer than I thought I had, but it's really good. Anyway, it's rinsing time, which is very simple. I just basically put the first thing I've got to do is drain it. I just use the drain button on there, wash and drain. You see the water going down, and once it's drained, I can put clean water in there, let it spin for a couple of minutes, and drain it again. So I'll show you that as well. Okay, water. Go all from the washing machine. I just basically add a clean water in. For the rinse. Obviously let it on wash for that. Put it on drain there for a second. Put the hot water in for the rinse. And once obviously there's enough hot water in there, I'll stick it on again for another 5 minutes to just rinse it basically. It's that simple. So getting this suds out. Push it down a bit. So rinse, I just put it on wash with the clean hot water for a few minutes, put it for 5-6 minutes just to do a bit of rinse basically. And then I'll drain it again and then move over to the spinning. I'll show you that right now. There you are, there's all the details in the washing machine. You can see that. The wash capacity is 3 kg and the spin capacity is 2. You probably won't use the wash capacity to the full anyway. Probably use at least 2 kg in the wash thing. That's quite good. See the details properly there. Made in China of course. But it's just for what perfect for what I want. I'll just quickly show you the spin and we'll finish this off. Now I normally wouldn't make a video like this, but this is my little washing machine. It's my little washing machine this. And there might be people out there interested in camping washing machines because they're great for RVs, motorhomes and caravans. Because right now they're just, one of these is perfect for me right now. And so easy to use. Lightweight, and so use less water, which is dead simple. This is only 85 quid from Amazon and it's just absolutely perfect for me. There's if I need to wash stuff, I'll just use my mate Nathan down below. Might use it as a washing machine or just take it to the dolly tub. Because sometimes I might need to wash a quilt or something, sleeping bag or something like that. So I might still need help for a big washing machine, but everything else I can do in that. Anyway, so if you're boring you there, but I hope you would see I've got a washing machine now and how good it'll be useful to have one of these in a camping setup out anywhere really. They can fit it. It goes very well with a camp. I've got a bit of a camping thing going on here because I've got a camping fridge freezer in the kitchen and all. So anyway, now the boy, so I'll just quickly just show you the spin. It's dead simple, and I'll leave you. I'll see you on my next video. There, need to put some over the top to keep this stuff in. Load it up, and it really is a simple, quick 5 minutes. I only use 5 minutes generally. Oh, makes up with this thing. 5 minutes, and all that will be out. And it won't be drenched. It will not be dripping wet. It'll be just enough to hang a line where it won't drench at all. Oh, that is nearly bone dry. You can see it's not dripping at all. With this thing I've noticed it only takes one spin for 5 minutes and the stuff is ready to go. Put it in my laundry bag, and it's ready to go to hung on the line, the wedgie, whatever you want to do with it. And it's not dripping wet at all. It's absolutely brilliant, this little spinner. It may take a few go, but the was still left in the washer. Look. May take a few goes, but it does the job. So thanks for watching. I hope I didn't bore you with myself with the washing machine, but it really is a nice piece, really nice, a good thing to have this thing. And I'll see you in the next video. I better get me washing on the line now. Thank you, bye.